Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's create new solid layer for background. Right click, new and solid layer. Add name background, click OK. And go to FS Preset, search effect fill. Choose fill and drag and use for background. And go to color, let's choose dark blue and click OK. So let's create again new solid layer for grid. Add name grid and OK. Go to again FX Preset, search effect grid and use grid for solid layer. And go to size form, choose here which slider and change slider like this. Also opacity. Okay. Search again CC lens and use for layer grid and change grid size. Okay, so let's lock layers and go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose rounded rectangle tool and let's create one rectangle like this. Clisation tool and go to color cube, let's use color blue and click OK. Change name button 1. Open rectangle 1 and rectangle path 1, let's change roughness for smooth layer. In this time let's go to FX Preset, search effect CC plastic and use for shape layer. And we can play settings for create better line like this. Let's open surface bump and change softness and open light. Let's change light intensity like this and light height. Okay, not bad. So go to FS Preset, search effect glow and use glow for layer button 1 and change glow settings. Okay, enough. And in this time let's create first animation. Go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose ellipse tool and let's create one ellipse. So let's go to color, change fill to black and click OK. So let's go to FS Preset, search effect CC plastic again, use for left element. Okay, and go to FS Preset, search effect drop shadow, choose drop shadow, use for this element and change distance and softness. Okay, choose this drop shadow, let's copy, use for button 1. So go to pen tool and let's add like these lines. And go to fill, let's choose none for turn off inside color and stroke width and color white. So let's open inside contents, shape 1 and stroke 1, change butt cap to round cap. So select the shape layer and go to pen tool, hold this icon, choose convert vertex tool and let's make like this. Clisation tool and also we can move down these lines, points and this and select the shape layer. Let's change the name arrow left and hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center. Clisation tool. So in this time select this arrow and left element, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to right and select this arrow right click, go to transform and flip horizontal. Also select this arrow, let's link to right element and arrow left, link to left element. In this time let's go to text and write here finance. In this time select these all of them layers, let's enable title action save and move to like this. Okay, time to create animation. Let's select this finance text and drag and drop down and let's link to button 1 and select this button 1. Let's press P and create new position keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press space down in keyboard and move to right. Let's change quality for now quarter and let's move to like this. So let's go to first second and hold shift, press S, open scale and create scale keyframe, go to last keyframe and change scale 0. So let's preview animation. Okay, and in this time select these two partition keyframes and make it easy, or click F9. Go to graph editor, let's zoom to graph and choose this red line, and let's move to right, and let's keyframe move to left. Let's preview animation. Nice. Back to keyframes, and in this time go to middle and move to down a little bit for add bounce animation. Let's see. Okay, select scale keyframes, make it easy, go to graph editor and choose graph. Let's make graph like this and preview animation. Nice. Back to keyframes, and in this time select this bottom one and finals, Ctrl D for duplicate and move up. Let's move to right and go to here, let's press U and delete keyframes. So in this time go to here and create new partition keyframe, new scale keyframes, and go to back and move to left and scale change 0 and make keyframes easy. Select these two partition keyframes, go to graph editor and make it graph again smooth like this. And select this scale graph line and make again this. And let's select work area. Let's see. Okay, go to middle and let's move to down. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, let's select this finance 2 and button 2, move to left and let's see timing. Move to left here and choose work area. Preview animation. Okay, that's good. So let's select this finance 2 text and right here business. Clickation tool and preview animation. Nice. So in this time let's select this right element and press S, go to here and create scale keyframe and go to 3 keyframes. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down keyboard 1, 2, 3 and change scale 80. Let's try 90. Let's see. Okay, we can try 85 and go to 3 keyframes again, 1 to 3. Select first keyframe, copy paste and make it easy. And preview animation. Okay, select keyframes, go to graph editor and make it smooth graph. And this. Okay, that's good. Let's go to FS preset, search effect glow and use glow for text business. And let's change glow settings. And let's copy glow, use for finance text layer. So finally, let's select these all of them layers and click motion blur. Also enable here and preview animation. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.